World-class technology companies don't rent their vision, they own it. And the only company on the planet that cares more about your success, well, it's only Keller Williams.
We're living in a time where technology is rewriting the rules for just about everything. There are very few real estate businesses that have positioned themselves to play that game. Do you get that?
When we do this and we bring these types of experiences together and we lab this, and then you guys take your ingenuity and your real estate expertise and layer this on top, it becomes untouchable.
We are literally going everywhere we can in the transaction, literally circling the wagons to create an end-to-end value proposition that you can take to your buyers and sellers. Got it?
Our goal is nothing short of reinventing how people experience real estate through technology and making sure that you're the owner of that technology.
The world's largest real estate company with the most real estate data partnered with the world's largest social platform with the most social data, combining forces to create the most value for realtors. We knew then that if we built something together that we could start setting records in real estate, and we've been starting to do that.